In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI Remix in CapCut. We'll take a short clip and transform it using CapCut's AI Remix feature, all with a simple text prompt, so you can add creative visual elements in seconds. First, open CapCut and head into the editor. Give the interface a moment to load so all effects are available. If you're using the desktop app or the web version, the process is the same for what we're doing today. Next, add your video to the timeline. You can import it from your files or drag and drop it directly into the project. Make sure the clip you choose is clear and visually readable. AI works best when the subject is easy to detect and there's good contrast. Before we proceed, keep your clip to a maximum of 10 seconds. AI Remix is optimized for short moments, so if your video is longer, trim it down right on the timeline until it's 10 seconds or less. Focus on the portion that best represents what you want the AI to enhance, like the main action or the most striking angle. Now, go to the Basics section in your editing panel and look for AI Remix. Depending on your layout, you'll find it among the core effects and tools. If you don't see it immediately, scroll through the list or use the search bar. When you open AI Remix, you'll see a prompt field where you'll describe what the AI should add or change. Type your prompt. For a simple example, write, "Add a rainbow." Keep your prompt clear and direct. You can mention style and placement if that helps, like a soft rainbow in the sky or a neon rainbow arc behind the subject. Short, descriptive phrases usually give the most reliable results. If your scene has a clear subject, referencing it helps the AI understand where to focus. When your prompt looks good, click Generate. CapCut will process the clip and apply the effect based on your description. This may take a moment, depending on your device and connection. Once it's done, preview the result on the timeline. If the effect isn't quite what you imagined, refine your prompt, make it more specific or simplify it, and generate again. Small wording changes can make a big difference. That's all you need to start using AI Remix in CapCut. Open CapCut, add your clip, keep it under 10 seconds, find AI Remix in Basic, write a clear prompt like "Add a rainbow," and click Generate. Practice a few variations to learn what phrasing works best for your style. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating.